Hello, my name is Andrew Parker, aka Africa Andrew, aka Wafellow, aka Spider-Man. We got the squad behind me: Josh, Jenna, Chris, Caleb. They don't really know what's going on. It's gonna be a scavenger hunt race escape. I'll explain what that means in a minute.
That's a lot of words.
He said 37 words in his intro alone, just for his name.
Y'all just want to pay attention to anything. Y'all are just gonna stand there. I'm gonna read you something.
Okay.
And we'll just see what happens. A man rode into town on Monday. He stayed for 3 nights and then left on Monday. How come? What?
His horse's name
was Monday.
He said it first. Who do you want to be with?
Do we have to raise our hands?
Oh my God, Caleb, really?
I'm sorry.
Who cares? You got me.
But I'm just saying, how you gonna do that?
So we got Josh and Caleb versus Jenna and Chris. If you were alone in a wooden hut in a forest and there was an oil lamp, they're not paying attention, a candle and a stove, and you only have 1 match, which would you light first?
Wait, we weren't listening. We were like,
Stop talking!
wait, say it again.
You want me to read it again?
No.
Yes, yes.
Don't.
I'm reading it.
No. It's your channel.
We got it.
We didn't hear the answer.
Because y'all were
talking.
All right. I guess it's not a fun game.
The
Then.
match.
That is correct.
Hey, that was all Caleb though. Do you want them to win?
I don't. I want y'all
Y'all
to
were
do.
talking.
I feel like you just repeat it. We could just cut that part and act like we didn't hear
Y'all
it.
get a 5-second head start.
We get a 5-second head start. Y'all should.
One more. Before Mount Everest was discovered, what was the highest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest. It just wasn't discovered yet.
10-second head start for for Caleb. And
Like I feel like this is all set up. He and Josh work together. He doesn't like us. Everybody hates Chris.
What the heck?
Wait, I need to listen. Make sure there's nothing.
yeah, I might be
other
saying
questions
something.
happening.
Are there any other questions?
Nope.
No?
It's your game.
If you have any other questions, just, I don't know, Snapchat me.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Can you take these off of me?
Whoever gets out of the handcuffs first wins. You're going on a scavenger hunt to figure out where the key is.
Do I need shoes on?
Oh my gosh.
This is ours?
Yeah, your team red.
There's wind outside. Oh, this has something on it.
Gosh, this is gonna be so tough.
Should I go to the website?
Yes, do it. You go to the website while I keep looking through these.
I bet.
I bet it is too, but I'm just gonna be safe.
Okay, I don't even get what we're doing.
I don't understand what we're doing.
I believe there's paper in a bowl.
You know,
Ew!
for fans, we're just as confused as you are right now.
JCCA. Did I get that right? Andrew Parker. Yep, you did it. Look under the bowl.
What's going on? There's nothing in the bowl.
Sucks.
Hey, y'all better not come
Get out
over
of here. Go back out. Get out of here.
Who said we can't go in? We literally have no idea where it is. There's something under the bowl.
We have a 10-second bonus. We have a 10-second bonus.
Okay. Oh god, okay. So, map allows.
No, wait, Josh. Yeah. What team are we? What team blue? What team blue?
I was gonna say, why are you the one doing this? First 2 number Caleb.
Oh gosh, okay. So, map allows. First two numbers. 1, 2.
F.
Oh.
U.
5, 2, 5, 2.
There's probably a code somewhere else, so we just gotta remember 5, 2.
Should we go to every one of these?
I guess so.
What the heck? S.
Hey, 4. What's this? 4, 6. 4, 6. What is this? First 2 numbers, 4 and 6. Okay.
Okay, where we go next?
Okay, so we just gotta know that, I guess. Let's keep these. Wait, after this checkbox on ping pong table. Hey!
I hate that he just caught that.
Y'all are gonna feel really, you're gonna be really mad.
I feel like they're just...
Bathroom right here.
What did you say?
Nothing.
There's 2 numbers. Idiots. We're so dumb. That's so stupid.
Oh, look, Captain America. Captain America.
Yeah? Okay, so wait, follow this. Got 3?
Come on.
Snapchat them.
If you have any other questions, just, I don't know, Snapchat me.
At the beginning of this challenge, Andrew stated that if you have any...
should what? Snapchat him. He said Snapchat him.
Well, I don't know how we're not. I'm not really sure which order is what.
So what numbers do you have right now?
5, 2, 3, 2. Oh,
Dude, I think it did work. I saw that go down earlier. You tear that glue in half.
this mean we win? Do we win?
He said, dude, we get the handcuffs out first. Don't say it. Let's just chill in here.
Andrew, this is so tough.
Andrew, seriously, dude,
What's going on?
You gotta toss us a hand.
2, 4, 3, 4, 6, 3, 2.
Yeah, Josh.
Right?
That's good.
Right there. 4, 6, 3, 2. 4, 6. No, that one needs to be 4. 6, 3, 2. That's it. Is the key in there? What's that thing? Right there, right there. Nice.
Help us.
Dude, just one little thing.
Yo. Oh no, they got it!
Damn, they figured it out. That's so
Oh
tough.
wow.
You know what? Dang.
I don't even care. Well, this next round involved basketball.
And that's true too. You didn't even figure that out. You only looked under the bowl because you saw us that there was something under the bowl. Exactly.
The arguing is great. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of this one. Carpe diem, vita es bono. Go have a great day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.